We'll guide you through how to use Replit features to enhance your coding experience. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Replit website and log in to your account. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard where you can manage your projects. To start a new project, click on the Create button at the top right. Choose the programming language you want to work with from the list provided. Replit supports a wide variety of languages like Python, JavaScript, and more, so pick the one that best suits your needs. After selecting a language, you'll be taken to the code editor where you can start writing your code. The code editor is packed with features like syntax highlighting and auto-completion to make coding easier. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with several icons. The Files icon lets you manage all your files related to the project. You can create, delete, and organize files here. The version control icon allows you to track changes and collaborate with others using Git. This is particularly useful if you're working in a team or need to keep track of different versions of your code. To run your code, hit the Run button at the top of the editor. Replit will execute your code and display the output at the bottom of the screen. If you encounter any errors, they'll be displayed here with helpful messages to guide you in debugging. Replit also offers a console feature where you can test snippets of code or debug step by step. For collaboration, you can click on the Share button to invite others to your project. They can view or edit the code depending on the permissions you set. Lastly, explore the Community section to find and share projects, get help, and learn from other developers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.